Guys, I already showed you in previous video how to use the if function. For revision, you can see the if function formula is this. This is the simple if formula if you have only one condition, but if you have multiple condition, you can use the if with and as well as if with or formula. So the formula is same at the start, which is equal to, then you write if, then you put the bracket, then if you're using if with and formula, then you write and, then you put the bracket, and then you will select the score, because you want in this scenario the score and attendance to be above 70 if the student is to be passed. So I'll write the first condition here and then a comma. Then the second condition, attendance should also be above 70 if the student is to be passed. Then I'll close this bracket. Then what happens if these conditions are met, both of these conditions are met, then the student is passed, which is the value which will come if the conditions is true, and if the condition is not true, the student will fail. We have write both the values now, and we will close the bracket, press enter. So the first student has passed because he has scored above 70 and the attendance is also above 70. But we see here the student has not passed because the attendance is below 67. So just drag it down like this, and you will get the results for every student if they have passed or failed. Similarly, for the OR functions, it's just the same. Just press equal to if, and instead of and, put or. Then you will live in this scenario that only one condition to satisfy, not both of them. If only one condition satisfied, then the student is passed. And if both of the conditions are not satisfied, then the student is failed. So I'll increase the passing criteria to 75 this time, and attendance also I'll increase to more than 75. So if any one of this condition is met, then the student is passed. And if none of the conditions are met, that is the score and attendance are both below 75, not even one of them is above 75, then the student is failed. Just a minute. Yeah, I just wrote the incorrect formula, now it's correct, and I will close the bracket. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, I put a full stop here, that's why the answer was not coming. The answer is the first student is passed because he has at least got more than 75 in both of the scenarios, but we'll see in this one the student has failed because it's not more than 75 in any of them. But in third case, the student has passed because one case is above 75. So if I drag it down, you'll see the results, and these are the results, and you can try it on your own and match the result as well. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below this video and I'll help you. Thank you for watching.